Hello everyone, you are welcome to another tutorial how to turn a V-shaped neckline with bias strip. You can see how neat it is both in and out. Let's begin. We pin our bias tape to the fabric as you are seeing in this video. When we get to the V point, you draw a straight line to note the center point, then we'll pin it down. Then you turn the fabric around and keep pinning until we get to the shoulder area. So when we are at the shoulder area, we have to adjust the bias tape gradually so that it lay flat. Then we continue pinning to the end of the bias tape. So when we are at the end of the bias tape, you fold the edge of the bias tape and place the previous one in between. Then you pin it down. This is to enable neat finishing. You can see. So once we are done doing that, we go to our sewing machine and start sewing down. We follow the process gradually till we get to the V point. So at that point, we'll raise our lever and turn the fabric around. Then we continue sewing. So when we get to the shoulder area, we turn the fabric gently as well in order to achieve a flat edge. Then we keep sewing down till the end of the bias. So once we are done doing that, we remove it and turn it over. You can see. So that is the edge where we folded previously. So we pin it down. So once we are done pinning, we go back to our sewing machine and start sewing down. We'll follow the same process we did previously. So this is the final look. Look how beautiful it is. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.